In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Translate for desktop. By the end, you will have a desktop-style app you can open like any other program. First, open Google Chrome. If it is already open, bring it to the front so you can see a new tab. You should see the address bar across the top and your usual bookmarks or startup page below it. Using Chrome here matters because it can turn websites into app-like shortcuts that open in their own window. Now, go to Google Translate at translate.google.com. Type that into the address bar at the top, then press enter. The page will load with two language boxes side by side, one for the source language on the left and one for the translated language on the right. Take a second to confirm you see the Google Translate logo near the top left and the big text area where you can type or paste words. Once you are on the Google Translate page, click the three dots menu in the top right corner of the Chrome window. This menu button sits just to the right of your profile icon and any extensions. When you click it, a long drop-down menu opens, stretching downward with many options grouped in sections. From this menu, select Cast, Save, and Share. You might need to glance a little lower in the list, as it usually appears in the middle section of the menu. When you point at it or click it, a side menu opens next to it with a few related actions. Beginners sometimes click the wrong menu section, so make sure you see those exact words before you move on. Next, click Install Page as App in that side menu. This option tells Chrome to treat the current Google Translate page as its own desktop-style app. After you click it, a small pop-up window appears in the center of the screen. It usually shows the Google Translate icon, the name Google Translate, and two buttons at the bottom. Then, click Install in that pop-up. This confirms that you want Chrome to create the desktop app shortcut. The pop-up closes, and for a moment the screen may flicker as a new window opens. You will now see Google Translate in its own clean window without the usual Chrome address bar, which is how installed web apps usually look. After that, Google Translate will appear on your desktop and in your Start menu. On the desktop, look for the Google Translate icon, which you can double-click to open at any time. In the Start menu, you will find it under your list of apps, often inside a folder named Google Chrome Apps or directly under G. From now on, it will launch in that separate window, just like a normal desktop program. So now you have Google Translate set up as a desktop-style app you can open quickly anytime you need it. If this helped you get Google Translate onto your desktop, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple app guides like this.